We all love Python programming language because it is easy to use and we have been building applications with it. However, Python comes with couple of issues. One of them and the major issue is type safety and type checking. Yes, you have heard it right. Python doesn't have inbuilt type checker. Let's say you have a function that needs integer as an input. You can pass floating point or string when you call the function and it will either run or fail depending on the logic inside the function. Today, we are looking into a solution of this Python type checking and type safety issue with a package called Pyrefly. This package is developed by Meta. So if I go to the documentation of Pyrefly, it is basically easy to install and set up. There are different ways with which you can use it, either pip, conda, uv or poetry. And there is small configuration that you will need in your pyproject.toml file. I'll show you all the things. However, Pyrefly helps us with couple of things. First, it helps us make sure all the functions are called with appropriate types. Second, it helps you create annotations for all of your Python code. So let's install this and see how it works in action. So I'll open Z as my code editor. The first thing I'll do is that I'll say uv init and I'll initialize a new project, and then I'll say uv add pyrefly. Let me clear the screen. Now, in order to initialize the Pyrefly package, you need to run this command uv run pyrefly init, and this will initialize the project. And if I go to this pyproject.toml, you will see there is this tool configuration for Pyrefly. Now, let me show you a quick example of how we can use Pyrefly. So I'll create a function, let's say calculate area, and it takes width and height and return the area with width into height equation. So now if I call this, let's say with two arguments, and save this and run this uv run main.py, we see 5000 because when you multiply 100 with 50 you get 5000. But let's say when I do this and run the application, you'll see different result. If you see this from Python side, this is completely doable because Python can multiply string with a number. That is completely doable in Python. So what I'll do is that I'll say int here, and I'll say int here, and I'll say it returns int as well. Now, since I'm using a functionality which gives me a hint that you are using string, but it accepts only integer, so that's why we are seeing this squiggly line. But even after doing or providing annotations, I can use the same code and run it without error, and we see total different result. So you may be arguing like, hey, what's big deal in this? I can myself see the error and fix the error. But let's say you have thousands of lines of Python code and hundreds of functions written all over the code. It is hard to remember or identify which function requires what types of argument, and there is 100% a chance that you make a mistake and don't identify until something big comes up into the bug section. So here Pyrefly helps us, and I'll show you how. So I'll just clear the terminal and I'll say uv run Pyrefly check. This will check my Python code for any miscalling of function with bad arguments, and when I run this, you'll see that it says 100 is not assignable parameter to width with type int in function this. So now, when you run Pyrefly check, you will find all the instances where you have called a function with inappropriate type of argument. And I'm sure this looks magical to you, but Meta has done it. It is working well and it's really fast out there. There are a couple of other packages that does the same thing, but this Pyrefly is fastest. So now, since I have run Pyrefly check and I figure out that there is an error here, I can now solve the error, run the Pyrefly check again, and I see, okay, there is no errors. I can be sure that my code works as it intended. Then I would like to show you a couple of more things as well. Automating type annotation generation is coming to this Python package. Then there is a whole lot of section in order to make sure your tensors and their shapes are annotated correctly. Also, I would like to show you that if you are using some CI/CD actions, GitHub Actions, then you can use Pyrefly in order to make sure that the code is type safe and all the functions are correctly called with correct arguments, and they have the section here. So I guess this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope now you understood the importance of type checking and type safety in Python code base. And it seems small issue, but when you have a bigger code, this is a really bottleneck for the further developments. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.